Hello viewers, this is Emil. Today I'm going to show you how to upload the Emis data directly to the ministry database using the Emis web portal, or what you call the ministry portal. So let's get started. Open your browser. Type in Emis. So when you type in Emis in the search section, it will bring this page. So we have Emis login and register. So we shall click login. So when you click login, it will give you the login form where you have to enter the login details. That's the email address and the password. So after typing in, you click sign in. So these are my login details. So we'll click on Emis data upload. Click on upload data. Then you come down here and say update. So we are updating the learners details. You come and click learners. You move down and choose update learners information. So in this section we have 4 options. 1, add single learner. 2, upload Ugandan learners. In this method you can use the Excel sheet that you generated, but we are not going to use this. We are going to use this first option where you have to upload directly to the Emis databases, whereby the learner will be given learner's identification number immediately. Yes. So here we have the options here. First option is to add a photo. So you come and either click on this option or click here. You say choose option, choose photo. You select where the photo is. My photo is on the desktop, so I'll click desktop. This is the photo. I say open. So that's the learner's photo. Here, learner's details. Does this learner have a name? No, of course, this is pre-primary, they don't have name. This is primary, they don't have name. So we come here, we say no. Nationality, is the learner Ugandan? So if it's a Ugandan, you select Uganda. If it is Sudan, you select South Sudan. If it is Kenya, and so on, select the country from here. And after you type in the first name of the learner. Surname, type in the surname. Other name, I don't have other name. Date of birth, so you come and click the date of birth section. Choose the years. You can use this filter option to do quickly. This learner was born this year. December 23rd. So if you're done with that, gender, is it a female or a male? It's a female. Is the learner an orphan? No. Class, which class? The learner is in P3. So we have the special needs section. If he has any special need, you click in any of this option. Health issues, if the learner is asthmatic, is epilepsy, you can click on those options. Talents, the learner has some talents, so we can select the talents here of which the learner has. Practical skills, does this learner have any practical skills? Of course that she can dance. Here parents details, you must enter the name of the parent. So you type in the name of the parent. Okay, that's the name of the parent. We have to verify whether it's correct. We click verify. Okay, if it's correct, it will show us the photo of the parent. If it's not correct, then it will not show us the photo. There it is. So our name is correct, and this is the right owner of the learner. So after that, you enter the phone number of the parent. So you can enter phone one, number one, phone number two, like that. Even email address, you can enter the email address. So make sure you enter all the fields which have that symbol there. So after finishing adding all the details, click on what? Save learner. So when you click on save learner, the learner will be saved in the ministry database, and it will give you the message success learner saved successfully. So when you check down here under the current learners here, you can see is already entered. So we can tap on that learner and see whether it's being given the lane. So when you tap on the learner, and the lane, you can see it's already been given a lane automatically. So this method gives the learner immediately the lane. So that means the learner must have the parent's name, and the parent's name must be correct so that the system can verify immediately from the NIRA database. So that's how you upload the learner's information to the ministry database directly using the web portal or the Emis portal. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.